L8070 Linear Light Series Ceiling Mount Installation. The L8070 series offers multiple fixture styles and installation options to meet a wide range of project requirements. In this video, we'll demonstrate the ceiling mount installation. First, remove a top cover from the fixture. We will use the surface mount kit for this installation. Before installation, let's take a quick look at how the surface mount system works. Electrical wiring is not covered in this video. First, secure the surface mount kit to the ceiling. Attach the safety cable to the fixture. The mounting clip features a retaining tab to keep the fixture securely in place. A little extra pressure is required when installing or removing the fixture. The surface mount installation is now complete. To remove the fixture, apply firm pressure and release it from the mounting clips. Now, the linear light has been removed. The L8070 series includes multiple fixture styles, mounting options, and optical distributions for a wide range of architectural lighting applications. If you have a project, our team is ready to help you find the right solution. Contact GL LED today, admin@glledus.com.